When it comes to boosting your home's value in Metairie, many homeowners focus on kitchens, bathrooms, or landscaping. While those upgrades matter, one of the most impactful, and often overlooked, improvements is installing a new entry door. Your front door is more than just an entrance, it's a statement, a security feature, and a major contributor to your home's overall value. First impressions matter more than you think in Metairie's competitive housing market. First impressions can make or break a sale. The entry door is one of the very first things visitors, neighbors, and potential buyers notice. A worn, outdated, or damaged door can immediately signal neglect, even if the rest of the home is well maintained. On the other hand, a modern, well-designed entry door instantly elevates curb appeal. Whether it's a classic wood-look door, a sleek fiberglass option, or a bold color that complements your exterior, a new door creates a welcoming and high-end appearance. This visual upgrade alone can significantly increase perceived home value. Increased energy efficiency appeals to buyers. Metairie homeowners know how important it is to keep homes comfortable during hot, humid summers and mild winters. Older doors often allow air leaks that drive up energy bills. New entry doors are designed with better insulation, tighter seals, and energy-efficient materials that help maintain indoor temperatures. For buyers, energy efficiency isn't just a bonus, it's a selling point. A new door suggests lower utility costs in a home that's been thoughtfully upgraded. Even if you're not selling right away, improved energy efficiency means immediate savings and long-term value. Enhanced security adds real value. Safety is a top priority for homeowners and buyers alike. Older entry doors may have outdated locking systems, weakened frames, or materials that are easier to compromise. New entry doors come with reinforced cores, advanced locking mechanisms, and stronger frames that improve overall home security. In Metairie, where families often plan to stay long-term, buyers appreciate knowing a home offers solid protection. A secure entry door provides peace of mind, which translates directly into added value and buyer confidence. Customization helps your home stand out. One of the biggest advantages of installing a new entry door is the ability to customize it to your home's style and neighborhood character. From glass inserts that allow natural light to flow in, to decorative hardware and finishes, today's doors offer countless design options. This customization helps your home stand out without feeling out of place. A door that complements Metairie's architectural styles, from traditional to modern, adds character and uniqueness, both of which increase desirability and value. Strong return on investment. Entry door replacement consistently ranks among the home improvements with the highest return on investment. Compared to larger renovation projects, replacing a door is relatively affordable while delivering noticeable results. Many homeowners recoup a significant portion of the cost when selling, and sometimes even more through faster offers and higher perceived value. Even if selling isn't on your immediate horizon, a new entry door enhances daily enjoyment of your home while protecting your investment. A smart upgrade for Metairie homes. For Metairie homeowners looking to increase property value without major renovations, a new entry door is a smart, impactful upgrade. It improves curb appeal, energy efficiency, security, and overall style, all key factors buyers care about. Whether you're preparing to sell or simply want to enhance your home's appearance and comfort, investing in a new entry door is a practical step that pays off both now and in the future.